Okay, let's look at how to write names of ionic compounds that have polyatomic ions in them. Well, you'll need to get page 6 out, your ion chart, and it looks something like this. I kind of cut it off a little bit, but anyway, what you'll need to be able to do is just to do these, you just write the name of the positive ion and then write the name of the negative ion. Now everything is binary. That means it has two names, the positive ion name and the negative ion name. So number one, we look at number one and we see that that's aluminum. And so what we do is we look and we find aluminum on the chart here, the ion, and it's just called aluminum. So we write aluminum. And then we find the negative ion because everything's binary, the positive ion and the negative ion. Okay, so then you go and you find nitrate, which is NO, see how this is NO3? So you got to find NO3, it's right there. That's called nitrate. So you just write aluminum nitrate. That's it. The name of the positive ion, the name of the negative ion. That's all you got to do. All right, so let's look at number 2. So we find calcium on our ion chart, and it's spelled just like the periodic table, but you write it down just like it's here. And then you find hydroxide, the negative ion, and it's right here. All right, so everything is binary. The positive ion name, the negative ion name. A mistake that some people will make is they'll write down something like calcium, oxide, hydrogen, or something crazy like that. No, that's not right. Everything is binary, two names. Okay, here we go. Number 3. All right, 3 is magnesium. You can find magnesium right there. And then you have ClO3 with a 2. And so you find that one, and that's going to be chlorate because it's ClO3. You got to be careful because there's things like chlorite and there's other ones like perchlorate. They all have ClOs in them, but you want the one with ClO3. So that's magnesium chlorate. Okay, the last one down here is I kind of cut the sheet off up here when I scanned it in, but it's supposed to be, if you look on the sheet, there's the top of your sheet, there's a thing called ammonium, and it's NH4, and it would be 1 plus. That's ammonium. Okay, I just cut it off. It's at the top here. And so this NH4, that's called ammonium. That's one of the few positive polyatomic ions that we will be using. Then you find the negative ion, which is SO3. So you find it right here, SO3. That's called sulfite. So that's called ammonium sulfite. Okay, so that's how to name polyatomic ions that are in ionic compounds. So ionic compounds with polyatomic ions. That's it.